Okay, welcome back here. I just got my blower motor box put together, and I just got it. See right there, just temporarily hooked up to the negative and positive on a battery charger. This is not the battery charger I'll be using. One I'm getting is from Arbor Freight. Haven't picked one up yet, but I probably will here. Probably later on this weekend or someday here within the next couple of weeks. But anyways, I already had this thing running, and it works really nice. This is just on a low setting for this particular battery charger. I mean, there's actually hardly no air coming out front of this box. It's the same size box that I built last year, but I'm thinking this port right here is only a 4-inch exhaust here, and it's kind of really not big enough to push the air that this motor is pulling into the box out. So what I might do is, if I don't decide to use this box, I might build a little bit bigger one with a little bit bigger surface area up here, and I might put a 6-inch exhaust in this thing. See if that don't get airflow better, because I'm not really for sure what this motor is really capable of doing, since I do have a bigger intake than I do an exhaust. So I might play around with that, and maybe tomorrow or something, just build me a bigger box just for testing. But I'm pretty sure, of course I know it will, putting a bigger exhaust will help a major airflow. I mean, right now it's putting out quite a bit of airflow anyway. I really don't have nothing here to really show, but it is putting out quite a bit of air. But I don't think it's putting out what its potential is. But it kind of slows down. I don't know if it's from where I'm blocking off. I guess it's probably from where I'm blocking off some of the airflow into the box. Of course, like when I go put a filter on the front of this box, it's going to restrict a little airflow anyway, which will almost probably get it roughly ratio from intake to exhaust when I put a, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's going a little bit faster when you just kind of put your hand over it, kind of restricts that airflow in a little bit. That's just a little bit higher setting. But I mean, it is putting off quite a bit of air. But I think I might just experiment with another box, and I'll put a 6-inch exhaust port on here instead of having this 4-inch, just to see how much more air this fan will push. But right now it acts like it's kind of really choking on getting that air out of that box, and it's kind of like a little, there's not as much in this one as there was in my box last year, but there's about right around this little edge right here, there's a back pressure air coming back out of the box, but it's not as bad as my last year's box. So I'm thinking this 4-inch right here, it could really be boosted up to a 6-inch exhaust. It helps a whole lot. But that's my box that I'm probably going to wind up using, because like I said, when I go to put that air filter over, it kind of will restrict the airflow in a little bit. That way it'll kind of help regulate what comes out. But like I said, I also might experiment for another box with a 6-inch exhaust port in it. See how well that goes. But it's fairly simple. It's pretty nice, just having the 2 wires coming out of the back of the motor. I'm gonna go fix me up some different types of connectors today. because when I put these on last year, I just spliced all my wires and I didn't have no connectors, and I had to wind up cutting the wires off. So this year I'll go and buy some little disconnects where I hook everything up to a little switch that I had on my box, and to my other blower box, and my other charge controller, or the battery charger. That way it'll make things a whole lot easier. I won't have to go back and cut wires and re-splice them this year. I can just disconnect them and connect them whenever I want. So that's where I'm at so far, and I'll get here. I might build me another box tomorrow or something, and just see if it does any better, which I know it will. And hopefully I might be able to use it for my blower box, and I'll get a little bit more airflow out of my solar heater. Thanks for watching.